Hare Krishna. Greetings from Bhakta Prahlad Shiksha Samaj, the children wing of ISKCON Chennai. We have heard about the great acharyas, Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, and others. They have done amazing things and given great teachings. What about their disciples? Is there something we can learn from them? Yes, we can learn from them the magic of faith and the power of service. ISKCON Chennai is starting a year-long online weekly course on Guru Shishya, learning from the exemplary disciples of exalted acharyas like Padmapada, Kanakadasa, Ishwarapuri, and Srila Prabhupada. This is only for children aged 6 to 17 years. Children in the age group 6 to 12 years will have fun with shlokas, stories, bhajans, songs, art and craft, and fireless cooking. They get a chance every month to share their talents. Let's look at some videos now to see the fun our children have had in the previous batch. Join us.
Mahashimam Bigur Aham Giramasme Kamaksharam Yajnanam Japayajnosmi Savaranam Himalayah
भद्रशैलराजमन्दिरा श्रीरामचन्द्रबाहुमध्यविलसितेन्द्रिया श्रीरामचन्द्रभद्रशैलराजमन्दिरा श्रीरामचन्द्रबाहुमध्यविलसितेन्द्रिया
பாலம் கட்டினார் இல்லையா லங்கைக்கு. அந்த சமயத்துல அனுமான் கோவர்தன் மலைய அலேகமா தூக்கிட்டாரு. ஆனா பாலம் கட்டி முடிச்சாச்சு போதும் அப்படின்னு சொன்ன சத்தம் கேட்டு அவர் அந்த மலையை திரும்பி அதே இடத்துல வச்சுட்டாரு. இதனால கோவர்தனுக்கு ரொம்ப வருத்தம்.
And we draw one more. Yeah, like this you have to outline it with little with dark blue border. Okay, our picture is completed.
Take a color paper and mark 16 centimeters of wool. And watch is ready.
On my peak so that my sins vanish. My dear Bhadragiri, I know you're a great devotee of mine, but however, I'm in the search of Sita Devi right now. I'll surely sit on your peak while returning to Ayodhya.
That's the fun the children had. The teens aged 13 to 17 can bring to surface their hidden skills through various activities such as debates, skits, mind maps, and so on. Let's hear from a teenager who attended our summer camp this year how she enjoyed and learned from the Krishna Club program for teens.
Hare Krishna, my name is Vaishnavi and I belong to the first batch of the summer camp Acharyas. Honestly, it was a very great experience. Firstly, I learned about Guru Parampara. It gave me a clear idea on the topic Guru Parampara. Also, it took out all the confusions out of my head on the same. We also had a lot of group sessions which were very, very interesting. We also had mind mapping sessions which not only made my creative thinking better but also enriched me with different ideas by viewing at different presentations by other students. Due to these interesting activities, the base of the knowledge shared became stronger. We also learned songs which describe the holiness of Krishna. We also shared lots and lots of pastimes of the Lord which not only gained us more knowledge about the Lord but the moral hidden in the story gave us an inspiration to stand up in life. To sum up, this session was absolutely great. We learnt about the Acharyas, who were the great personalities. We were also able to derive the teaching being shared in the life of all Acharyas, which were very, very beneficial for our life. I would recommend all of you to join this summer camp and not only gain knowledge but principles for life. Thank you.
To register for this weekly online program, just visit www.iskonchennai.org and click on the BPS's poster. You will open up to this page where you can click on register, fill up the Google form, and then choose the time slot that best suits you. We have many time slots and you can choose that one which is convenient for you. Since it's online, we are keeping the student-teacher ratio small so that we can give personal attention to all the children and interact with them. So don't delay, register at your earliest. Hare Krishna.